Dr. Jaffe, what are some likely causes of chronic diarrhea? Obviously, an LRA testing would be appropriate to recognize any sensitivities that may be there, but any supplement suggestions that could be helpful?
Well, let me distinguish occasional loose stool or occasional constipation from chronic diarrhea. To me, chronic diarrhea means more often than not, you have to run to the commode. Otherwise, you might be embarrassed. Yes, food and chemical hypersensitivities are the main cause. And the solution is to do the LRA by ELISA test. But then there are irritants. There are things that cause maldigestion, which can also be associated with diarrhea. If you have the most common immunodeficiency in the United States, which is SIGA, secretory IgA deficiency, your mucosa, your surface of your intestines, is not producing healthy digestive elements like SIGA and mucins and other components that are necessary for a healthy digestion and to prevent diarrhea. So diarrhea is mostly an immune defense and repair deficit, but it is accompanied almost always with nutritional needs, and very often people need to exercise and stretch more. They need to hydrate better with healthier liquids. They need to look at their lifestyle and invest in themselves. Our book, How to Thrive in the 21st Century, is about how to choose a healthier lifestyle, how to make your epigenetics work for you rather than against you. Very commonly today, diarrhea is caused by ultra-processed foods. Very commonly today, chronic diarrhea is caused by what you're eating or maybe drinking. Now, I do drink wine and occasionally beer, but I also drink a lot of mineral water, and we happen to have healthy well water at our home. Otherwise, I would bring water in because tap water is probably contaminated and may actually be, and I have seen this happen several times, the tap water in the house was the cause of the diarrhea. And substituting healthy water resolved that issue. But please be aware that if you have either chronic diarrhea or chronic constipation, you need complete microbiome, complete digestive rehabilitation, starting with your stomach. And we have now digestive aid, as well as L-histidine to rehabilitate and improve your stomach function, which means the rest of your digestion will be better. And that quintet, that pair of elements, is now part of a quintet that includes fiber. You need 40 to 100 grams of undigested fiber a day to have a healthy microbiome and have many, many organisms that are digesting away and therefore providing you with nutrition. And you need probiotics, 40 to 100 billion organisms, and you need symbiotics, which is recycled glutamine. Not high-dose glutamine, not glutamine alone, but recycled glutamine so that you energize and repair the enterocytes that line the intestine and help improve digestion, while also energizing these cells so they can detoxify, because they require glutamine for their energy. They don't get energy from sugar. They don't get energy from any other source. They get it from the amino acid glutamine. And we have found how to recycle the glutamine so that you can take 1/10 the dose and get 10 times the value without ever building up glutamate as an excitoneuratoxin. So we bring you today's biochemistry, physiology applied to life so that you can thrive even in this hazardous century, when you're likely to get exposed to some toxins, but we can show you how to biologically detoxify from them. you're likely to be exposed to some things that irritate or impair your digestion. We can show you how to either avoid or how to rehabilitate your digestive tract using our quintet and a few other essential nutrients.